Hi there, I'm Mandy Mintz, and I'd like to take you through the redesign and prototype that I've done for the game Shinsekai Into the Depths. In this start screen, I have improved the contrast and made the title on one line instead of two. The Start Game button is larger so that the Action button is clear to see. So let's start. Here in the main menu screen, I've changed the shape and outline as well as the hover state of the buttons. I believe the design can be more functional this way. I'll choose Continue Game. This is the main gameplay interface. Here are the new designs for the health bars for the oxygen, suit, and depth, which in the actual game all get depleted. Although the designs in the current game are beautiful and artistic, some of them are hard to understand at a glance, and when one is in the game, you really don't want to stop to decipher those things, so I think this is more clear. I've also added a bottom navigational toolbar that isn't there in the current game. Let's do a save. Here is the redesigned save screen, which is consistent with the other menu screen. It's more similar to other screens that we are familiar with. I'll click on the Save button, and we will, of course, get sent back to the other gameplay screen we were saving from. Let's take a look at another gameplay screen. This screen is consistent with the other gameplay screens: the bottom nav, the map, the health bars, but here I have redesigned the pop-up instructions so they're easy to read and don't interrupt gameplay. Now, if the player wants to look at the map outside of the game, then you will see with this map, you can tell where you've been is yellow and where you still need to go is green. And in the menu, the player can tell which page they're on easily with the little white dot. Now I'll show you the screen for items. Here I've changed the design of the original by ramping up the contrast and using white type. While the directions for how to use the items previously looked very artistic, it was hard to understand the instructions a little bit. There is still the pictorial explanation as well as a worded one. Next, let's take a look at the weaponry menu. This screen is similar to the items menu screen and how there are instructions in both words and pictures. Now we want to show you the items bag in gameplay and how the redesign shows you how to open and close it a little more clearly. So here we still have the items bag. There are instructions for how to open the bag in the bottom navigation's toolbar and instructions to close the bag. I've shown you here what it will look like when the oxygen runs low, when the depth gets too deep and the suit takes too much damage. So with that, here is the game over screen. Thank you for watching.